Good morning. First day. And we're off to... Where are we going? You'll know when we get there. Anyway. 4 hours. And what time is it? It's 3:22. So let's go. Where are we? 0.3 miles. And we're going down there. We're getting there, guys. Bench Lake, Seaford Cake, Kings Creek Meadows, Kings Creek Falls, 0.2 miles. back to the car, and this is the other way to go back. There's no one-way trail, and it's a steep one. So if you don't want to take this, you can take the other one, the one that we took beforehand, the Kings Creek Trails. But this one, I don't regret it, even though it's a steep one. Why? Because of the view. Look at that. We're on our second one of the day, second falls of the day. And let's see. Mill Creek Falls. 1.6 miles. That's 2.6 kilometers. Kings Creek was just 1.1, right? So yeah. This one's a little bit longer, but it's a short one too. Anyways, let's go! So I think this is the Mill Creek Falls, and we're gonna go see the end of this one. Watch the falls. It's gonna be a good hike. Let's enjoy. So we're going down. I think we're near the falls. That's why we're descending down. The trail was really open, as I said before, and it's mostly up. And now we're going down because we're close to the falls, I believe. Yeah. Now I can see the creek, which is good. I thought I was still far away, but I think I'm here. Yeah, I'm near the creek now. So there's a viewing point over there. So let's go check out the view. There we go. So the way that we came, and is the way that we're gonna go back. The trail is out and back. So yeah, unfortunately, we gotta go back the same route. And unlike the Kings Creek Falls, sorry, it has the view while going up. This one, you're going back, it's the same thing. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. This is Riva Shayne, ending with a lovely note. Nature is not just a place to visit, it is home. Riva Shayne out. Peace out.